So you want to clean your engine bay without destroying your car's sensitive electronics? Put the heavy-duty pressure washer down right now. Blasting high-pressure water under the hood is the fastest way to cause thousands in catastrophic electrical damage. It easily blows out delicate sensors and floods intricate wiring harnesses. This video shows you the smartest, safest way to detail your engine bay at home. You will get a flawless showroom shine without risking a massive repair bill using just basic supplies. First, you must make absolutely sure the engine is completely cool to the touch before starting this process. Spraying cold water onto a scorching hot engine block is a guaranteed recipe for cracked metal and warped aluminum components. If you just drove the car, pop the hood, and let the vehicle sit outside in the shade for at least 2 solid hours until the temperature drops safely, you should be able to comfortably rest your bare hand on the intake manifold without getting burned. Next, grab some thick plastic bags and carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal with a wrench to prevent accidental electrical shorts. You need to thoroughly cover the delicate alternator, the main electrical fuse box, individual coil packs, and any exposed aftermarket air intakes. Secure all these plastic covers tightly with high-quality masking tape so stray water cannot reach the highly sensitive circuitry. Take your time with this critical prep step to avoid costly issues later. Now it is time to apply a high-quality, heavy-duty automotive degreaser generously to all of the incredibly grimy areas. Spray it liberally over the back firewall, the dirty valve covers, and the rubber hoses. Let the thick foaming action sit and work its magic for about 5 to 10 minutes to properly break down years of heavy oil, baked-on dirt, and stubborn road grime. Do not let the degreaser dry completely on the surface. If it is a warm afternoon, lightly mist it with water to keep it active. Grab a professional automotive detailing brush with soft, durable bristles and start agitating the tough, grease-caked spots around the main engine block. Please do not rush this crucial part of the process. The mechanical scrubbing action of the brush is what actually does the heavy lifting here, not water pressure from a hose. Work the bristles deep into all the tight crevices and hard-to-reach corners, carefully loosening up the thick sludge so it will rinse away effortlessly in the final step. Finally, rinse everything off using a gentle stream of water from a standard garden hose set on a low shower setting. Work your way systematically from the top down, letting gravity carry the dirt and soapy residue away from the engine. Once the stubborn grime is washed away, remove all the plastic bags and masking tape, reconnect your battery, and start the engine up. Let the car idle 15 minutes so the heat can naturally bake off any remaining hidden moisture.